Hello guys, let's begin. So at the first you have to take a piece of cardboard and draw a watermelon cutout on it. Here I have drawn a watermelon cutout as I wanted to make that topper. If you want any other shape, you can make that. After doing it, you have to take it as same as your measurement of the pencil. Further, you have to take a scissor and cut the watermelon cutout very carefully. So friends, here now I have cut out the shape very carefully. I have took 3 more same size cutouts so that to give it a height. It has given the shape a particular height because of the multiple cutouts. So now in all total we have 4 cutouts. Among the 2 of the cutouts, we have to take the measurement of the pencil at a particular height you want. We have to do the similar process with the second cutout, but be careful that the height on both the cutouts should be the same. Now take the cutout and pencil and draw the breadth of the pencil on both the cutouts as shown in the video. Further, you have to take a scissor and cut out the drawn shape on the particular cutout. After you finish it, you have to take the second cutout as well and cut it in the similar way. Here you have to take one more cutout and cut it in the similar way as shown in the earlier two. Now you can put it together and see how much height you get. You can also put that pencil in that so you will get the proper measure of it. After that you have to take the glue and stick the pieces together as shown. Now stick the other 2 remaining cutouts on the bottom and the top of the cutouts we had stick together. Further, you can check if your measurements were proper by fitting the pencil in the topper. We will now take a pink card paper and take the measurement of the cutout on the pink card paper as shown. We have to cut it with a scissor very carefully. With the help of glue, we have to stick the paper on the cutout. We have to also put the pink color chart paper on the other side of the watermelon cutout. Now take a green card paper and take the cutout and place it on the paper and draw an outline of it. After drawing, draw the outer cover in the outline of that watermelon cutout. Now cut it very carefully. Now stick it with the glue on the watermelon cutout as shown. Now place the similar outer cover on the other side of the cutout. We have to put the green and pink colored chart paper on the watermelon cutout as required. Our pencil topper is almost ready, just a few little things to do. I have drawn a cute face on the watermelon to make it look attractive. After that, I took a black pen and bordered it with it. Now you have to take a green sketch pen and do some kind of scribbling on it, as I have done in the video, so that it looks a kind of perfect watermelon. I have done it on all the sides of the watermelon. Our watermelon topper is completely ready. So guys, for the second pencil topper, you have to do the similar process, but you have to cut the cutout of a circle, as I wanted to do emoji pencil topper. You can give it any other shape you want. After doing that, you have to take a yellow color card paper and take the cutout's outline. After taking the outline, you have to cut it with a scissor. Further, stick the yellow cutouts on the circle cutout and take the measurement of the emoji side on a yellow card paper and stick it. I have drawn a cute face of the emoji on the cutout. You can draw any other emoji on it. After that, I have bordered it with black pen to make it look more attractive. Our pencil topper is completely ready. Our both pencil toppers are ready and look attractive. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then like, share and subscribe to my channel.